What services are provided by an elder law attorney? Welcome to Frank Bruno Law. I am Frank Bruno. I am an elder law attorney. I handle probate and guardianship, elder law, estate planning, and I'll tell you what services as an elder law attorney I can provide. So generally speaking, the field of elder law is concerned with the person, right? Elder law, issues affecting the elderly. Is there a bright line? Are you an elder at 62 or 55 or 79? Well, AARP would tell you that at 50, you could join them, right? So that's really, it's an organization, it's an association that deals with issues affecting an older demographic. And AARP gives you the time frame of 50 years old. As an elder law attorney, I deal with the person, and then the person and the associated areas of legal practice. So I'll give an example. A criminal defense lawyer represents people charged with criminal offenses, right? Whether they're 18 years old or 88 years old. A person that does real estate closings, they will represent an adult person that's 20 or 40 or 50 or 90, right? Because they're representing the person with respect to the purchase or sale of real property. And an elder law attorney, we're dealing with people, a demographic of persons of an older age, dealing with a variety of issues. So I handle estate planning issues. That's for people that are younger. That's not necessarily the elder law aspect of my practice, but I've done wills for people in their 20s all the way through people in their 90s. So I do estate planning. And when you hit a certain age or a certain physical condition, I'm going to do estate planning for the person, keeping in mind that they may need protection against long-term care, long-term care. They may need long-term care. They may need Medicaid. They may need to apply for government benefits. So I practice in elder law estate planning. I also practice in the area of guardianship. Again, guardianship is an area of the mental hygiene law where I represent people in court or petitioning within the area of guardianship. And you could be 22 or 90. I will represent people. However, unless a person is in a catastrophic accident or has complications due to childbirth, overwhelmingly, the guardianship practice involves an older demographic. Again, no bright line. People in their 60s, 70s, 80s, 90s. But I've represented people that were the parents of an adult child that needed a guardianship because they had an incapacity because of a brain injury or a stroke at a younger age. But as an elder law attorney, I do handle guardianship. Guardianship is it's in the field of litigation. It's a court proceeding. Not every estate planning or elder law attorney handles guardianship. That is a point of differentiation between my firm and many others. Estate planning, guardianship, elder law estate planning, Medicaid planning, filing of Medicaid applications, and that's what I do as an elder law attorney. Within my office, I've also represented the elderly people of an older age in divorce, in landlord-tenant actions, trying to keep them in their apartment. Right? We've represented the whole person. We've been in family court. Sometimes I've been in as many as 3 or 4 courthouses for the same person or for members of the same family. Siblings are sometimes against, adult siblings, even older siblings, is sometimes against each other in the area of family law, where they need family offenses. And we've perhaps had to work on behalf of the estate in surrogate's court and in the civil court evicting someone. Sometimes, I just had a past client, he had gotten arrested. So now he was a client in another area of practice. He was at odds with his spouse. This particular gentleman is an older gentleman, talking in the 70s, a young 70s. But now he has issues that go all the way from one courthouse to another. So that's what I could tell you that I do as an elder law attorney. If you have a situation you'd like to speak to me about, by all means, give me a call. Reach out to me through the website, frankbrunolaw.com, and I can tell you if I can help you.